Hi, this is Robert Hall with American Powertrain. Today I'm going to show you our new OBS truck kit. So this is the GM 88 to 98 full-size trucks. We have a 6-speed kit available and a 5-speed. They both fit great. We can put the shifter in a very convenient position. You actually have a couple of choices. So you just take the measurement, put it where you want it. We know that most of these cars came as automatics. So we'll have the bell housing, the clutch, hydraulic clutch set up with a inline hydraulic release bearing, the training mount, transmission cross member, and if you follow our instructions you can actually use the original truck cross member and save yourself a couple of bucks if you don't want the really cool aluminum one. You even have a nice shift lever, it's going to give it the proper reach, and of course American Powertrain shifter ball. The only thing we're not showing out here is just all the nuts and bolts, but that's all included just like it is on all of our kits. So if you're one of the guys that's starting to really appreciate these trucks, this is the kit for you.
Now that Robert's given us an overview of the basic package, let's talk specifics. All of these OBS trucks had a hydraulic clutch system. The Hydramax is perfect for this application. You can even reuse your factory master cylinder. If you're converting from an automatic, we can also provide the bell housing, flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, and the needed clutch pedal. An easier installation you won't find. No cutting of the tunnel. Slide the cross member into the proper location, drill the needed holes, bolt it down. The Magnum 6-speed installed in this truck has made it a totally new driving experience. It's also greatly improved the fuel economy of the big block. All of our conversions come with a drive shaft, and we've got all the other accessories it takes to finish off the job. Shifter handles, shift knobs, you name it. You want to breathe some new life into your old Chevy truck? Call the boys at American Powertrain. We've got the parts it takes to save the stitch.